Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. Today we're just going to show you how to do some meal prepping. Our protein egg muffins are very popular, so we're going to show you how to make those. So we're just going to have a deep dish muffin pan, and we're going to have that. And we're just going to spray it so it doesn't stick. I buy the eggs by the box. It's your choice. So what we're going to do is we'll get our either Walmart turkey bacon or Costco turkey bacon because it's 5 grams of protein. Costco's is 6 with no carbs, just a couple grams of fat. And it actually tastes like bacon. It's real good. So what you would do with your bacon first, I just put it on a plate and I put it in the microwave for about 5 or 6 minutes. So I cook the bacon first. So as you can see, I've already got the bacon cooked. I've already started some here. So basically what I do is I just take the white eggs, just to get the egg whites, and I just go back and forth with it. And then I just throw the yolk away. With that, I've put 4 egg whites in each muffin pan. And when I do the muffin pan, I do 1 piece of bacon per slot. So I've got 4 egg whites and 1 piece of turkey bacon in each. And you can see I've got a little bit of the yolk in there, which is that's fine. I just don't want 4 yolks in one dish. So basically with this, I'm getting 20 grams of protein per muffin. Now you can also use turkey sausage, and you can also put onions, peppers, jalapenos in here. I'm just a picky eater, but all those are still good for you. It makes it more tasty. Just depends on what do you like. So with this, I'm just going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes to 40 minutes at 350 to 375. All the ovens are different. It's just playing around to see what works for you. But the main thing also is getting the turkey bacon from Walmart or Costco, because it's the good protein bacon. Tinker around with it, put onions, peppers, whatever you want in there. Main thing too is make sure you spray the pan as far as sticking them out. And like I said, mainly is the deep dish muffin pan. And like I said, you can also use egg whites already. That way you don't have to crack the eggs open. It's just whatever you prefer. Cost wise, it's easier for me when I use so many eggs. I have 3 of those egg muffins a day. It's just a great snack. I don't even have to warm it up. I can actually eat it cold. But as far as protein, healthy snack, you're not gonna beat it. So remember, we're gonna have a lot of more meal prepping. We have some great workouts. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and see you next time on Fit Tuckers. And remember, don't sit,